What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Welcome to Stanley's Review. That's the name of my channel. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. But today's video is about this digital picture frame, to say the least. And it's made by an iconic brand, obviously Kodak. Kodak was very iconic for their cameras. Very great cameras, very great technology back in the days. Obviously the company since fallen off since that time, so we're gonna actually get into the unboxing and showcase some of the features of this. For example, this Kodak Easyshare digital picture frame model number is SV811, obviously, as you can see on the box, and it already has 128 megabyte of internal memory. You can use 800 by 480 pixels pictures and stuff like that, and it also has a color science feature as well. It comes with a little remote there on the side. You can actually use photos, videos, and also music with it as well. You could actually upload MP3s on it as well. So we're gonna get into it and see exactly what it entails. It comes with a USB cable, of course. It comes with a CD, Easyshare CD as well, power adapter, remote control, and that's pretty much that in user guide. So let's get into it. Let's see what it has to offer. So let's get into it. I'm actually opening the box as we speak. At the back of the box, you could actually set it landscape or horizontal side. Pretty much any way you do will work. And ta-da, just like that. This is the box in itself. And this one, if I remember correctly, that's the frame. And the frame in itself, I believe it's 8 inches. So that's gonna be the frame right there. And we're gonna go ahead and try to power it on and get it working for you in front of you guys, so you guys could see exactly how cool this is. It's highly recommended. The link will be in the description below. Even if I don't find this exact model number for you, I'll definitely find you something comparable to it where you can actually use. Right now, also, they do have the Wi-Fi digital picture frames as well. I just chose not to go with that one because of the fact that I'm not really interested in getting the internet involved and actually having to use an app and stuff like that. I would much rather just have to use this right here, which is a SD card, to actually upload my pictures and call it a day. I already have a Wi-Fi digital picture frame upstairs, and I don't want to go through another app installment on my phone and taking away memory and stuff like that from my phone and stuff like to make it happen. So therefore, this actually fits the bill better. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. All right, so let's get into it. So as you could see here, it actually comes with an Easyshare CD installation thingy for your laptop. Most laptop nowadays do not come with CD players, so this is probably going to be obsolete, to say the least. So I can actually just upload all of my pictures and videos onto this SD card here and actually upload them from there, or just use the USB to actually upload all my pictures also from there. So that's one of the little frame holders if you want to put it against the wall, I guess. This is the adapter that's the plug-in adapter for the frame. I guess. So we'll put that to the side. We'll put the frame to the side as well. Let's see what else is in the box. There's a USB cable right there, and it's actually the first generation USB. I didn't know this was much older than it was, so let me check into what year this came out. I can't find it so far. Yeah, but it definitely comes with the bigger USB cable. And inside the box, there's the remote, of course, and the remote actually takes the flat batteries. And let's get into it. Let's move this box away and see what we can do actually to get it running. Let's go. Put the frame back on here. It's an 8-inch frame. Beautiful 8-inch frame. We're gonna do some taking away of packaging and stuff right there. All right. Put all the trash away. Same goes for the remote. We're gonna get rid of the little bag that it's in and get the remote out. Boom. And the battery that this takes, like I mentioned earlier, is the little flat batteries like so. So it will be this here. Boom. And that's the remote in a nutshell. So now we got the remote part situated. Let's get it plugged in and see what we can make happen with that. Got it plugged into the wall. I'm about to actually plug the DC connector back there and see. It's actually all over here, as you could see. And this is plugged in now. And boom. Let's turn it on. In order to turn it on, once you got it plugged in, there's an on and off switch here. This is actually in the off position. I'm gonna turn it on down below like so, and it should be coming on now. There we go. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. And you can select your language setting. For me, it's English, so it's gonna be English. And my frame, and just like that, it is working, as you could see. It's highly recommended. I would definitely buy one if you're interested in getting all your pictures, considering nowadays all cameras are digital cameras. So you could actually put up to 1 gig of memory card onto this, along with the additional internal 128 megabyte of memory that it already has. So you can't really go wrong with this. It's perfect. You could make this work for sure. And this actually has a slideshow. As you can see, it's playing the slideshow right now. And look at how cool that looks. This is definitely a must buy if you're interested in getting yourself one. In the back of it right there, there's a little stand thingy that you can actually pull out, and they'll actually be able to stand on its side like so. Also, there's a few buttons in the back as well, like menu, okay, up, down, a few buttons similar to the buttons that are on the remote as well. So you can actually maneuver through the pictures and videos, create your own settings for your slideshows and stuff of that nature on it. In order to upload pictures, you can upload pictures directly to it by simply inputting the USB cable from your PC to this, which would be up here. Like I said, it's the older USB cable, and it also has a headphone jack. I don't know why. It also has a volume button that goes all the way up and down as well. I don't know why. Like I mentioned, it plays music, so I do understand why it has the volume button. This right here is also another set of charging port, and you can actually import files into it as well. This USB right here, so it's two USB ports that it has a headphone jack and volume button on the other side. And on this side is simply the power button, which is right down here, and also the memory card right there. So the power button's down below and the memory card is at the top for SD, and different kind of memory card on the bottom right there, the bigger cartridges, which I'm not going to be using. So definitely a must buy. I would suggest you guys get your hands on one. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well, because I'm still trying to reach my 5,000 subscriber threshold. Help a brother out, help me get there. Much appreciated to be able to show you guys these type of products. If you guys have any question, comments, feel free to give me a shout in the comment below. And I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day, guys. All right, peace.